Steve Barsick Amstel here with High Tech Design Safety. Hope you're having a great week. Had a great comment on the last video from Daniel Mitchell, Global Product Safety Manager, about the implementation dates of the new standard IEC 62368-1, which is replacing UL 60950. And Daniel is correct. That is cutting in. And the cut-in date is December 20th of 2020. So this year, 8 months out from yesterday. Big deal there. We're going to see a lot of revision reports required across our industries. Same thing with UL for the USA. Their implementation date stays the same, and we will be helping our clients and you understand what it takes to shift from 60950 to 62368. Besides the fact that it doesn't roll off the tongue very easy. So used to saying 60950 for so many years. But the key thing is that the new standard is more of a hazards-based approach and deals more with consumer safety, for my opinion. And we'll be able to work through all of that. Again, thank you, Daniel, for that comment. If you need support from us, reach out, please. Or reach out to your own test lab. Thanks again. Have a wonderful week. This is Steve with High Tech Design Safety.